When it begins to rain, water infiltrates into the ground. The soil filters the water, and bacteria feeds on harmful particles, purifying the water and returning it to our precious water table. The ground saturates, and storm water begins to flow. Watersheds have existed for hundreds of thousands of years in a delicate balance. A balance that is disrupted when roads and cities are built. Flooding and damage to property required the invention of storm drains. Now 100% of the rainfall enters the watershed. Water is not infiltrating into the ground and replenishing the water table. Every square foot of road, roof, driveway, and sidewalk prevent water infiltration and create more runoff. Runoff that creates erosion and carries with it oil, sediment, and harmful chemicals that lead directly into our streams, rivers, lakes, and eventually our oceans, destroying plant and marine life. How big is this issue? Consider a major city. Downtown Minneapolis, less than 1 square mile. 99% of this area is impenetrable. 99% stormwater runoff. Near zero infiltration. During a 1-inch rainfall, this area produces 13.6 million gallons of water. That flows into the Mississippi River. That's equivalent to 1,100 swimming pools. 13.6 million gallons just in this area, and running off into our natural watersheds, picking up debris, sediment, and chemicals along the way. 200 years ago, a majority of this water would have infiltrated into the ground and replenished our water table. And this is just one city among thousands. The Mississippi Watershed Valley spans from Denver, Colorado and the Rocky Mountains, east all the way to Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania and the Appalachian Mountains, draining into the Mississippi and eventually the Gulf of Mexico. There is a 5,000 square mile area in the Gulf of Mexico known as the Dead Zone. Sea life cannot survive in this area. This dead zone was created by storm water runoff. Do you remember the square around downtown Minneapolis? That square is less than 1 square mile. This is 1 square mile in relationship to the dead zone. These issues can only be solved upstream, at the source. Upstream Technologies is committed to the design and distribution of products that return our watershed environments to a natural state.